So fam, you're welcome to my channel today again. Today I want to make a fabric applique. It is budget friendly, something that you can actually do by yourself. So let's begin. You see these straps of fabric that I have. This is actually a simple way you can get round shape fabric without you going to cut round and round or using a round shape to cut it. Just do as if you are cutting a flared or peplum shape without cutting the tip. So my fabric circles are ready. Right now I'm trying to get a circle shape that I'll use as base for my fabric flower. I'm trying to make different fabric types of fabric flowers that you can use as applique on your dresses or any type of cloth that you want. That's actually the basis of this video. So when I finish gathering this circle now, it will look like a sack as you see on this video. I will now go ahead and put my fibers inside it. This pillow filling fibers, you can get them in the market. It's sold by yard. So I put them there. I'll gather my circle to get a small circle shape or circle pillow, round pillow like that, as anything you can call it. But at least you are seeing what I'm doing in the video. So I will actually use this circle as a base to do my artificial rose flower. So these are my circles now. Go ahead and use candle to firm the tip so that you don't fray. So after putting candle on all the tips, that's what I'm doing on the video, so that it doesn't fray. The flower can stay long without fraying or having strips of fabric coming out of it. Please fam, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and encourage the channel growth. So I've gone ahead and put gum on all the circles. So I'm attaching it there. I prefer to put gum and leave it to dry a little bit. So all these fabrics, all the circles, as you can see, now have gum on them. So I'm gumming everything together to get a rose shaped flower. I believe this video is very self-explanatory, that even a beginner can understand what I'm doing here. So it is actually a method you can use to get a fabric flower. If I thought you should go to market, the uniqueness of this thing is that whatever you do like this and get your own, even if you go to the market where tailoring materials are sold, you won't get exactly this. It wouldn't even be as unique as the one you created by yourself, So my fabric flower is ready. I'll now go ahead and secure the tail end. As you can see me do on this video, you double your thread, you can secure it and cut out the tail. So the remaining side is where you're going to attach your fabric or anything. So this is another type of fabric flower that I want to do here. All these are all fabric scraps that we do away with, but mine, I don't actually do away with everything. Anyone I know I like the fabric that is unique, I tend to keep them aside to use. So I'll still go ahead and get my fabric circles the way I did the first one. That's how, as if you're cutting a peplum shape, you get your perfect round circle shapes, as you can see me do on the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, share with your friends on social media. You encourage your sister by doing so. So for these ones, I'll fold my circle into four places rather. Then I'll gather the tail end. The side you fold and gather is the rough side. That actually the upper end will be the smooth side. You don't need to do anything to that one. So as you can see me do on the video, I'll go ahead and gather it, so that with the same needle and thread that you used to gather the first one is what you use to gather like 5 or 6 circles, depending on your preferences. I've seen people gather 4 circles to get what looks like a petal shaped flower, or did I say a star shaped flower. If you look at what I'm doing in the video, you understand my explanations. So you try and gather them on this end. when you fold your circle, you have the rough end. So it's that rough end that you gather. So this is my fabric now. Go ahead and join the two ends together to get a very beautiful flower. Flowers like this are actually sold in tailoring material shops, and I'm telling you, it's like one is sold for 15 naira here in Nigeria right now. We used to get a dozen before for 200, 300, but right now they don't sell it now. It's sold for 15 naira, 100 naira. They will not even be as beautiful and full as the one that you did by yourself. So that is the uniqueness of these things that I'm doing. I actually don't do it for every client, but this one I'm doing now, I like to do it for myself so that I know that anything I wear and go outside, mine is unique and it's not the same with every other person's own. So you see my flower is ready. These flowers, you don't need them plain like this. You can use beads or any type of applique to put on top of them, as you see me doing at the beginning of the video. So this is a two fabric that is gathered, a long strip that is gathered like this. So after gathering the long strip like this, still go ahead and gather it round. Gather the main strip, the gathered strip with your needle and thread like this, as you can see me do on the video. Bring it together like this to form a flower, a round flower. I believe this video is very self-explanatory, that someone can look at it and understand what I'm doing there. I think this is the simplest of all the four flowers I'm making here. This is the simplest of all of them. You gather your two, you fold your two into four or into two, or anyhow you want. The thickness that you want. I did like this my own. I folded it into four before I gathered the strip. So the gathered strip is what I'll still gather together like this to get a round shaped flower. Looking so beautiful. I can even get this ready in minutes. So this is two fabric tools that I also cut in round shapes, as I cut the other round shapes too. Then I fold them in four like this. Instead of gathering the ends, I put it together on a base, on a round base like this, and with my needle and thread, I tack it to that round base. But don't use a two base, use another fabric that is stronger than two to make the base. So that's how I'll continue to tack this triangular shaped tool until I get a full and beautiful flower like you see me doing in this video. So you trim out all the ends that is not so good, all the imperfect end, you trim them out with your scissors. And this is actually a very beautiful flower. You can't even see this in the market to buy it. It looks so beautiful. So you now go ahead and put your flowers where you want it. So that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.